Hi friends, you can see at my home there are lots of plants are available here. You can see raise guard plants is here, and you can see some also flowers, and already it's we can eat now. It's completed now, able to use. And another plants, see, it's also here. Mm, some another risgard here, and maize plants here at my home. And you can see it's my house where I am making video. hmm. This side also, it's my house where I planted lots of things like green vegetables, asgard, bottle gourds, and maize, rice gourds, and also another plants are here. See, we used for only eating his plant, only we use flour. See, this is, and you can see here, and it's my house, a small house, village house, where I am here, where I am.